Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how to change your video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. It is super simple, so let's get started. So to change your project resolution, you just need to go over to the media pool option. It is located right here beside the effects option. Once you click on it, you will see an interface like this. This interface is not that practical, so what you want to do is click on this icon right here. This will show you the list of all the elements in your project. From here, you need to find the element named timeline, right? Click on it and go to timelines and then timeline settings. Here you can edit different settings related to your timeline. If everything is grayed out for you, then you need to make sure to turn use project settings off. So here you have your timeline resolution. You can change your resolution, but just selecting the one you want from the drop-down menu. So we can click on that and change it to, let's say you want to change it to 4K or HD, you can simply do it by selecting it. Or if you want to have a custom resolution, you can also do that by typing in the values in these two boxes. Once you have selected the settings that you want to use, you can simply click OK and your settings will be saved. As you can see, my timeline resolution have been changed, but since my video is in HD and timeline is set to 4K, you can see black bars around my video. In that case, you can just zoom in your video by clicking on it and changing the values from the video tab. So that was it. That was how you can change your video resolution in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.